Yippee! That's the goal. On the left side, I'm logged in and registered for the webinars, and I click and name and email address is already filled and click and I'm registered. Wonderful. And you can edit this via CSS file. And yeah, that will be shown. Everything will be shown in this video. How to get it. It's sure mobile responsive and ready for you to use. Some demanded the grid view of webinars. I can't zoom in. Okay, yeah, you see, that's something we want to have. I added a lot of features to the list we wanted to do. So that's just a beta because we have just to fix the live webinar, did the color picker, and now working to make everything WordPress standard, what's going on in the database, so we can do more WordPress standards. And it's helping a lot with the grid because we want to grid categories, grid text, filter, and that should be all WordPress standard. So we're giving it out as it's now done, and you see here if user is logged in, which the user is when he registers for a webinar by default, then they can just click on register, name and email address is filled out, and then they can just register. And they see it in the overview. Yeah. So let's go for it. I have the knowledge base here. And here you can download it. It's not on WordPress.org yet. And I installed it and it comes here, grid settings. At that, you just select webinar. Let's look at the example. New live. We were just testing, so new live, that's one. Okay. So you can check these single webinars. You can also say live and evergreen. And you can do categories, which are at the moment at pages. And you have to go inside the registration page and set the category. And you have classes you load generally on WordPress and then attach them here. Yeah, you see it's not so user-friendly, but you see here you can run by IDs, can leave it out. You can run by type, live, auto, and you have the classes here. Okay, so that's individual, and that's individual. And there will be an upcoming type also. Okay, we copy it. Okay, create a new page or post. So it's just seeing shortcode. I don't want this all, just cut it out. Click on publish. And you have it here beautifully. You can just click on it again. Okay, so yes, it has, like it's already on. It's already, because it's live webinars and they are already on and not closed. You can see them here. And yeah, so how to change? So that's new live. It's also mobile friendly, that's sure. Let's search for it. New live. Okay. And here in the meta settings, you can change the right webinar Also a live webinar, but it does not say the text. Here you have the grid image, which is fitting. Just do something more wide than height. Just check if we have the right one. Yeah, so we have the right one. Okay, so that's the right one. Ah, yeah, okay, so sure, a lot of issues. So we have, it was taken once, and it's only taking the title here. So yeah, it's not perfect in my perfect optimized standards, but it's taking the title from here normally. The first, what it was. So you can't change it anymore. We can test if we can do auto set, edit and save. It's not doing it, but yeah. And we have also no pagination yet. Do you see here? So if we close the webinar, it shows webinar. Oh, I was not quick enough. Shows the webinar closed, and then you see also webinars over. And when it's on countdown, and let's do some up to date one. So I updated. It's just showing the countdown page. Yeah. So that's what we have at the moment. You can bring up a lot of ideas. We need filters and arrange in the right date and time. But if you and make it translatable, so it's translated, but it's only shown in English. So on my side, so you can make a lot of grids. It's not saving, but you can do a lot of grids, and that will help you sort out and show only the ones that's important, and filter by the IDs. Yeah, so that's the only style at the moment we want to have. I want to have like a picture and button color style. Yeah, you can change the style via changing the CSS. It's just here. And let me get this background, for example, changed. So that's here. You have the WebinarIgnition call to action time, and it has this background color here from, you see here, that's going like nicely, something like this. So you can change, and that's get everything. So that's Brave. It's a Chromium-based browser. And then I had the call to action time. Here was some background color. See here, oh, something changed. I was just changing this, and then everything's good. Save, upload. Don't need the console anymore. Reload because it was only temporary. And then reload, let's reset it. So now you have it yellow. And yeah, if you unregistered because you're visiting in like this, then you can change the color of this, which is beautiful. With this nice auto playing video. And yeah, okay, I closed it already. So that's what we can offer. Yeah, check it out. Test it and give feedback through the chat in here. Coming here when you're not using a VPN like I do at the moment.